The Seed Enterprise Investment Scheme, commonly known as SEIS, and the Enterprise Investment Scheme, or EIS, are unique opportunities for investors and taxpayers in the UK. They are an often overlooked area of personal finance, which offer generous tax savings and the potential for significant returns on your investment. In the 2021 to 2022 tax year alone, nearly 10,000 SEIS investors and close to 45,000 EIS investors invested a staggering £2.3 billion to startups. The massive growth of people investing in startups can be attributed to the highly generous tax reliefs offered to UK taxpayers for doing so. Investors can claim 30% tax relief for investing in EIS qualifying businesses, while SEIS investors can receive 50% tax relief for investing in early-stage businesses within their first 3 years of trading. There are multiple tax relief opportunities for investors to take advantage of under EIS and SEIS. These include income tax relief, capital gains reinvestment relief, capital gains exemption on the realization of shares, inheritance tax relief, and loss relief at your marginal income tax rate should a company fail. For those paying the highest rate of tax, you could cut down a £1 loss to just 13.5p after applying all available SEIS tax benefits. This makes it an appealing investment choice for many in the UK. Let's take Sam as an example, a successful lawyer who pays over £50,000 in income tax each year. If she invests £50,000 into a SEIS qualifying company, she'll receive a whopping £25,000 back in income tax relief. If the SEIS investment performs well and returns £100,000 after 3 years, for instance, Sam will pay no capital gains tax on her profit when selling her shares, giving her a 400% net return after tax relief. Conversely, if the business fails, on top of the initial £25,000 income tax relief, Sam can also claim a further £11,250 in loss relief against her tax bill. As an investor, you can choose to invest directly into a single company or through an EIS or SEIS fund that builds and manages a portfolio of startups for you. This can be a great way to manage the risk attached to investing. When you invest, the company or your fund manager will send off your SEIS EIS3 certificates. To claim your tax relief, you simply need to include the details of your SEIS or EIS investments in the additional information section of your tax return. Remember, the important date for your tax relief is when the investment was made, not when you receive the certificates. And there you have it, a swift tour of SEIS and EIS. Hugely powerful schemes that balance the opportunity of achieving potential high returns with securing substantial tax benefits in the process.